Or a corrective karma?
First of all, why do you think death is a karma? It's not. Death is transfer of energy. There is nothing called creation or destruction. What you misconstrue as death is transfer of energy from X body to Y body. Maybe immediately or with a small gestation period. You will be in transit for some time, but you will again come back. So there is nothing called death. You never be afraid of death. With every breath, we are dying. With every intake of breath, we are born new. Bharati always says this. Ikkanam naan pudidai pirandhen endiru. Naan pudiyan naan kadavul endiru. That this minute I am born, I am a new being and I am God. So these are the three things we should always remember. Don't bother about death. There is nothing called death. When a yellow leaf in a tree decays and falls down, you call that as death, but it is not death. The decay will make it merge the nitrogen and phosphorus contents of the dry leaf into the parent element called the earth, from where it originated. And in a new plant, the same energy being constant according to law of physics, is going to come. So where is the question of a leaf dying? Is it not? It gets a transfer of energy. What you think as the death of a caterpillar will lead to the emergence of a beautiful butterfly. So if you think caterpillar dies, you are wrong. It is transferring to become a butterfly. So death is very beautiful. Unless you lose something, you don't gain something. Always ask for death. Death is beautiful. What did I? I can help you.
யார் தனக்குத்தானே உதவிக் கொள்கிறார்களோ அவர்களுக்கு இறைவன் உதவுகிறார். மனிதன் அவனுடைய விதியின் எஜமானன். மார்க்கண்டேயன் தனது விதியை தனது தபஸ் மூலமாக மாற்றினார். தபஸ் இருந்தால் விதியை மாற்ற முடியுமா?
Again, this question is about death and longevity of life. And if a person is not dying at the age of 16 and he gets a boon to continue the life eternally or for double the span of life, what is so great about it? Is it not? A Triyana Sambandha can get enlightenment at the age of 3. Adi Shankaracharya at the age of 12. Jesus at the age of 32. Vijayashankar Baba at the age of 36. So, how enlightened you are, and that enlightenment you are using for what purpose? They are the two yardsticks. So, there is nothing in prolonging life. See, I know so many people. For example, Ramdas sir, he loved his mother so much, and because his mother said, he got all his 7 sisters married, and not one is grateful to him, that is different. He respected his mother, so father kadayade, so he conducted the wedding of all his 7 sisters. He loved his mother so much. And a time came when she was suffering. So Ramdas sir used to come and say, so instead of asking she should continue to live, he is asking me, so I get this type of a request from at least 50% of the children. Because after in a particular age, it is suffering to continue living. So when the going is good, yardstick one. Or as and along, we can remember God more and add more of punyam for backing off. Your memory should be there. If with memory loss, you should not live. If you can remember God, you can live. Even if the whole system does not function, no problem. Mind should be alive. You should be able to think God or chant the name of God. Then there is some purpose in living. Otherwise, living like one katrika, no, what is so great about living like that? So, when we are active, when we can remember God, we should achieve something and pack off. And always be ready to pack off. So now 12th standard exams are going on. And tomorrow is the last date for them. And because of this electricity thing, this and that, there might be some students who could not do justice because they have postponed reading until the last 2 months. 10 months or 8 months they would have wasted from June to January. If only they were prepared from June itself, on day-to-day basis, studying, and even tomorrow the exam comes, I am all set. then why you will regret of our failure now in the month of March? So when the going is good, God is guiding you in the form of eye, ear, nose, system. Remember God. Try to be prepared to get God's love in every second and every minute of your life. Instead of thinking after I settle down my family, after I settle down my retired life, then I take to God. This is one very foolish thing which 99% of the people do. What is the guarantee that you are going to live after 50 years or 60 years or 70 years? So when you are young itself, start getting close to God instead of postponing the decision for a much later part of your life. Use the available time productively. முக்காலும் கேகாமுன் முன்னரையில் வீழாமுன் கட்சி ஏகம்பனையே நினை. வாட் இஸ் முக்கால்? ரொம்ப வயசாகி போய் நடக்கிறதுக்கே முடியாமல் ஒரு குச்சி கையில் எடுத்துக்கிறது, அதுதான் மூணாவது கால். ஸோ மூணாவது கால் முனைக்கிறதுக்கு முன்னால் என்னன்னா, நாடி தளர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடி, முக்காலுக்கு ஏகாமுன் போகிறதுக்கு முன்னால். முன்னரையில் விழாமுன், அது வரைக்கும் நீ ஏசி ரூமில் படுத்துன்னு இருந்துக்கோ, நல்லா பெட்டெல்லாம் போட்டு. உனக்கு ஒரு மாதிரி வீக்கர் ஆகி போச்சா, அதுக்கப்புறம் உங்கள் பசங்கள்லாம் பெருசாக இருப்பாங்க. அவங்க இந்த கடவுள் எதுக்கு ஏசி ரூமில் இங்கே கிடக்கணும்னு முன்னால் கொண்டு போய் ஒரு ரூமில் ஒரு பாய் போட்டுருவாங்க, அப்படியே எடுத்து போட்டுலான்னு சொல்லிட்டு. அதான் முன்னரையில் விழாமன். அப்புறம் அவங்களுக்கு அந்த ஏசி பெட்டெல்லாம் தேவைப்படுது. ஸோ முக்காலுக்கு ஏகாமும் முன்னரையில் விழாமுன் கட்சி ஏகம்பனையே நினை. காஞ்சிபுரத்தில் இருக்கிற ஏகாம்பர சாமியை நினைங்கிறது தான் பாட்டு. So always remember God, never forget God. And that this minute when I am holding the mic, death comes, I will be too happy. So become like me. Always welcome death. In English there is a movie called Enter Joe Black. And Mr. Death will come to meet him and say, see, I want to know more about your world. On condition I can extend your life. I will be with you. You have to look after my earthly wants. I extend your life until you want to die. So that Mr. Death, Yamadharmaraja, will live with that rich man. And that rich man will undergo different experience. He will understand the futility of human relationship. At some point he will feel bored and he will tell Mr. Death, Yamadharma, come, I want to back off with you. So Mr. Death will say, okay, come, we will walk hand in hand. The last scene, Yamadharma, the Mr. Death character and the rich man will be walking like this. So the rich man will say, am I supposed to keep you a very sorrowful face? Am I supposed to, because now I am dying and walking with you, am I supposed to keep you a very sad face or sorrowful face? Mr. Death will say, no, you have led a full life, very purposeful life, come smiling with me, he will say. So all of us should be like that. We should go smiling in death. Because we should have fulfilled one condition of leading a purposeful life. If you have wasted your life, then at that minute you are going to regret that you achieved nothing. Oh, there is one song, நாக்கு குழறதுக்கு முன்னாலே நாராயணா நாராயணான்னு சொல்லுங்க. You know that? Vidya Madam knows, yeah. அப்போதைக்கு இப்போதைய சொல்லி வைத்துன்றது தான். When you are conscious, when your mind is cool, tell God, I should not forget you when I am going to suffer physically with all these ailments. The same thing Arunagiri also says. Arunagiri கோழை வர்றதுக்கு முன்னால, இருமறதுக்கு முன்னால, நான் பிறவியோடு இரவு ஏற ஏகபோகமாய் நீ நானும் இருக்குமாகின்வார். மாதிரி நாக்கெல்லாம் குழம்பும் எனக்கு. அப்போது ஒன்றும் தெரியாது, கண்ணில் தண்ணி கொட்டும், மூக்கில் தண்ணி கொட்டும், கோலை வரும், இருமிட்டு இருப்பேன், நடக்க முடியாமல் கஷ்டப்படுவேன் அப்படின்னு ஒரு பாட்டு அருணகிரிநாதர் திருப்புகழில் இருக்குது. சம்பந்தம் கேசட்டில் கூட இருக்குது. திஸ் நாராயணா சாங் இஸ் ஆல்சோ வித் த சேம் மீனிங்.
நோயினால் நடுங்கிடும் போது, ஜீவநாடிகள் நைந்திடும் போது, மனம் எண்ணிடுமோ தெரியாது, இன்று சிந்தைக்க சிந்துனை கூவிந்து அருள் செய்திடுவார் ஹரி நாராயணா நாராயணா ஹரி நாராயணா ஐம்பொறியும் கரணங்களும் வாயும் ஆடியடங்கிடும் போது எந்தன் ஆவி பிரிந்திடும் போது மனம் எண்ணிடுமோ தெரி